Hi everyone, welcome back my channel. Today I'm going to showing you how to replace uh, all-in-one screen assembly. So today our model is Dell Inspiron 14 5000 series. It's a model, a specific model P93G. So actually this screen is cracked, but the computer is working fine. Everything is working as normal, but customer want to replace the crack screen because the screen is cracked here, so half of the side touch digitizer is not work, but the other side the touch digitizer is work. Alright, so let me quick test again. So the model is a specific model is in Spyron 5482. Okay. Alright, so uh, we got the screen assembly here. So this is the new screen assembly. It's completely original manufacturer screen. So this screen is not brand new, it's refurbished, but still looks very fresh and like new. And it's complete assembly. Okay, it's not only the screen, it's also the LED screen lid cover too. And if I was looking for only the LCD and the digitizer assembly, but I could not find any of them, no available any LCD and digitizer, so that's why I had to buy the complete assembly. Complete assembly is kind of expensive than only the screen and digitizer assembly. Okay, alright, I shut down the computer just, and we have to open all the screw. So before you buy the whole screen assembly including the LCD lid cover, you can look for the only the screen and digitizer, and if it is not available for you, then you can look for the whole assembly. I did research, I check everywhere, Amazon, eBay and all other local shop, but nobody selling the only screen and digitizer. And the other thing, the customer also wants to replace the complete assembly because when he dropped the laptop, is a little bit bended here. You can see here, and also scratches here. So that's why he also like to replace that complete assembly. Is there any screw? Nope. See. A little bit pressure. And the other side. Uh-oh. Right. Close the screen. Just take out. Alright, we can see here still a screw here, so we have to keep inside place. Don't lose any screw. Alright, this model he got 250 SSD. There is no hard drive. Nope, no hard drive. Alright, so our work is here. We have to disconnect the LCD connector first. We need a tweezer. We have to. Alright. So you can see here is our LCD connector. Can you see? Alright, just have to use a plastic tool. This is plastic, not the metal. Don't use any metal, okay? So just use like this plastic. So just unlock the LCD lock. Alright, just simply remove the connector and it should be come off automatically. And we can see here another connector here. Use the plastic tool again and remove the sticky and just remove the connector, okay? Alright, I already removed it, and still we have to remove the Wi-Fi antenna cable, okay? For doing that, we have to remove the tab here, okay? And we can see here, here's the connector, right? Alright, I'm just simply removing, very careful. Alright, we're almost there. So now we have to unscrew these three screw for the LCD hinge, keep them, and here is another 3 screw for other side LCD hinge. Keep them. Then just we have to take out the purse. So before do that, we can take out the LCD hinge like that. Just use a screwdriver, okay, and use one more time. Alright, and the same way use this side. Alright, one more time. Alright, just simply take out your main boot. See how easy? Fun, right? Alright, so now you can install. This is the crack screen. So now you can install our new screen assembly, okay? This is the main board. Before you install the main board, if you see any dust in your CPU heatsink, please clean. Alright, This guy is very nice and clean. No dust, I don't see any dust. Okay. Alright, so here is our new screen. Still have to install that thing. Alright. Straight the cable. And the LCD hinge. Very careful, okay? You have to be very careful. Alright. Right. Then it's the same position. Keep the LCD and then keep your motherboard on the top bezel, top of the screen, okay? Screen assembly, okay? And make sure it's measure accurate. And before that, we can take care of the LCD. Alright. Alright. A little bit, okay. I think we are ready. Alright. It's already locked. And try the other side, okay? Perfect. This one also locked. So now we can screw up. You see how easy? But if you don't have any experience how to replace screen assembly, and also if you don't have any experience how to open, like how to disassemble a laptop, please don't do that by yourself, because if you do something mistakenly, you will completely destroy your computer. So if you have experience, I think you can follow. If you have a little bit like 50% confidence, you can try. But if you break down anything, or if you kill your computer, I'm not responsible for that. I'm so sorry. Right. Now I have to wearing the oil and skirt, okay? Here's the cable, and I'm using the sticky, and then under this, make sure it's in right position. It's not big deal, you can do that. Alright, so which one black and white, which one white for the Wi-Fi? So I believe short one is black, and long one is white. And now we can If your Wi-Fi connector is not installed properly, and you're gonna get problem. Your Wi-Fi is not gonna work. Okay, so please make sure you install the Wi-Fi connector properly. Okay. Okay, now I'll say. Alright. Now connect the LCD connector. If you see any dust, just clean up. Okay. Just lock the LCD connector, and we also have to connect the LCD inverter, I guess. Right. Alright, we all set now. Just turn on the computer and let's see is working the screen or not. Press the power. We can see here the keyboard light. Hey. Check the CPU fan is working or not. It should work. Yep, it's working. Test. Alright. He will super happy. We can test the touch is working or not. It should work. So Wi-Fi is working. Yep. Check the camera, okay? Working camera. So everything is working. We can shut down and close the back part, okay? Alright. Make sure your all the cables is in right place, okay? Yep, everything's fine. Just install the back part. Is there any dust? No, clean. right. Alright guys, if you have any question about this model for replacing any parts, I mean replacing screen, replacing hard drive, replacing memory, CMOS battery or motherboard, if you have any question, as comments below in this video description. I will try to update always, and if I see your comments, I will try to respond to your comment as soon as possible I can. And the other thing, if you have any special tricks how to fix this computer or any special tricks, please share with us. And if this video help for you, and if you think is also help for someone else, please share the videos. And thank you very much for watching the videos, and I hope you enjoy the videos. And this videos is basically when I'm trying to record always when I do something work on customer computer, because I know a lot technician, a lot end user, they also trying to do hardware upgrade or hardware replacement by themselves. So I think it's gonna help for you. Okay, thank you very much. And I'm so sorry for my spoken English, because I'm not good at in spoken English. I'm still learning the English, so please don't mind about my language. Okay, thank you very much guys, have a great day, bye.